If you can score at least 32 out of 40 on this mixed grammar quiz, your English skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin. Question 1. What is the plural of life? The correct answer is option B, lives. Question 2. Which word is a synonym of calm? The correct answer is option B, peaceful. Question 3. What does the idiom add insult to injury mean? The correct answer is option B, make it worse. Question 4. Choose the missing preposition. The correct answer is option C, of. Question 5. What is the opposite of deep? The correct answer is option B, shallow. Question 6. What is the plural of deer? The correct answer is option B, deer. Question 7. Which word is a synonym of dangerous? The correct answer is option B, risky. Question 8. What does the idiom "don't count your chickens" mean? The correct answer is option B, don't plan too early. Question 9. Which word fits best here? The correct answer is option C, for. Question 10. What is the opposite of brave? The correct answer is option B, cowardly. Question 11. What is the plural of shelf? The correct answer is option B, shelves. Question 12. Which word is a synonym of help? The correct answer is option B, assist. Question 13. What does the idiom "every cloud has a silver lining" mean? The correct answer is option B, good in bad situation. Question 14. Complete the phrase. The correct answer is option C, of. Question 15. What is the opposite of clean? The correct answer is option B, dirty. Question 16. What is the plural of thief? The correct answer is option B, thieves. Question 17. Which word is a synonym of trash? The correct answer is option B, garbage. Question 18. What does the idiom "kill two birds with one stone" mean? The correct answer is option B, solve two problems. Question 19. Select the right preposition. The correct answer is option B, of. Question 20. What is the opposite of cheap? The correct answer is option B, expensive. Question 21. What is the plural of half? The correct answer is option B, halves. Question 22. Which word is a synonym of delicious? The correct answer is option B, tasty. Question 23. What does the idiom "let sleeping dogs lie" mean? The correct answer is option B, avoid conflict. Question 24. Fill in the gap correctly. The correct answer is option C, with. Question 25. What is the opposite of sharp? The correct answer is option B, blunt. Question 26. What is the plural of potato? The correct answer is option B, potatoes. Question 27. Which word is a synonym of gift? The correct answer is option B, present. Question 28. What does the idiom "pull someone's leg" mean? The correct answer is option B, joke or tease. Question 39. Choose the correct word. The correct answer is option D, for. Question 30. What is the opposite of heavy? The correct answer is option B, light. Question 31. What is the plural of tomato? The correct answer is option B, tomatoes. Question 32. Which word is a synonym of hurry? The correct answer is option B, rush. Question 33. What does the idiom "speak of the devil" mean? The correct answer is option B, person appears. Question 34. Which preposition is correct? The correct answer is option C, on. Question 35. What is the opposite of wet? The correct answer is option B, dry. Question 36. What is the plural of hero? The correct answer is option B, heroes. Question 37. Which word is a synonym of speak? The correct answer is option B, talk. Question 38. What does the idiom "the best of both worlds" mean? The correct answer is option B, all advantages. Question 39. Complete the sentence. The correct answer is option C, from. Question 40. What is the opposite of success? The correct answer is option B, failure. Out of 40 mixed grammar questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.